Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrainingsystem.com. This video I'm making about oil, right? So it's a lot of requests coming in, so I said, okay, let me just make it because it's been a while that I made this oil video. So let's get started. This is oil monthly chart, WTI, 7th April 2026 I made, and I says, according to my count, A, B, C, there was some kind of correction. And after that, we break out above this TL as wave one, and then this is A, B, and then C correction was completed. And then this powerful move started, and it looks like that it is going to be a wave three to the upside, which will be like 1.618 of this wave one. So this is what I said that, big wave three about this to the upside coming up according to my calculation. And then this is, the biggest barrier, this area. If we break above this, then we can go up, right? But we never go, up or down in a straight line. So what is happening is that if you look at the current chart, which is this, so we went up and then we came down here. Right now we are like down a little bit, right? And why is that? This is, if we go on a weekly chart, we can see a little bit more clear that this is what's happening here in the down move. This was like big wave, wave one, and this is wave two. If we consider that, this wave one and two, right? Black count. Then this thing, what the heck is that? So this is the beginning of wave three, right? So if you go even more lower time frame, daily chart, so this is where the wave two ended, and this is what happened after that, right? We went up, and then this is what is happening here, right? So this is on a sideway, basically it's a sideway correction on a wave. No, on a 4 hour chart, let's take a look at the 4 hour chart of what is happening here, right? And that looks like this. So this could be like wave one, then it says A, then A, B, C, B, and then A, B, C, C, and that is the end of wave. This Roman count, wave one and wave two of wave three. Of three means this count, this wave two, and then this wave three will be up. So this is wave one and wave two finishing here. And then we again start to go up and down. What is this little up and down? It's more here, up and down, right? So this is this, okay, for more clarity, I want to say this is, no, wait a minute, hold on. This is wave one, Roman count of um, three. And how much is this? Let me see. I'll see the phone. 18. Okay. Whoops. Okay. I messed that up. Very good. Nice. Okay. So, excuse me. All right. So, this one of three. And then this is two of three. Right? Then what the heck is that? This is going to be three of three, but then it will be like one of three of three. So this means one of three um, of three. Okay. So this is one of this three, one and two, and then it's going to be, I would say, let me see. See, it's a lot of people going to get confused. I'm going to make it very clear. This is two, and Oh, okay. And now I got it. It's probably okay. Okay, so it's just one of this two, I mean this three, which is of this three. Got it? And this three would be of this three. And this is two of this three, which is the three is going to be of this three, right? So we can put this here as well. I hope it's clear now. All right. So this is one of this three, then two of this three. Now we need wave three, which will come in five waves. So blue count is that like wave one of three. Then wave two of three of three. Then wave three of three of three, so on and so forth. So hopefully, if my count is right, then this area should hold 61% to 78% of this fib. Somewhere there, we should be going to the upside. I'm looking at this chart, this move on this here, okay, on my 80-minute chart. Or entry, if we can go to the upside, this is, um, it looks like that this is small wave one, then A, B, C correction here above this 91.23, and we came off of 92.89, which are these numbers here. You can see 92.89, 91. It's on a monthly chart. 91.23 is right there, right, and then 93.96, and so on and so forth. So these are the numbers that I draw on 40-minute chart, and this is my 80-minute chart. So this is what I'm watching, that if you can stay above this area, you can see that bounce, 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 and then going above this teal, right, sloping teal here. If you draw from the top, that's how it looks like, right? And we broke above it and coming back down. But if you do not go lower than this and somehow we stay above this area, and let's say if we measure this, then we are in between 61 to 78. That is our reversal zone. So somewhere there, if we get a reversal candle, I'll be strongly looking for upside move. Now, all in all, if you look at the daily chart, if this is wave one and this is wave two, and then now we're going like wave one and two, followed by three, four, five, two, the upside, we can mark here as, it's like a Roman count that was like wave, I think was two and yeah, something like that, right? So this is wave one and this is wave two, maybe. Let me see one more time. Okay, so I marked this is wave one, wave two. After that, no, no, no. I made a mistake. Uh, okay, so this is wave one, and then A, B, C, this is wave two, right? And then we are, it's like going to the upside. All right, so, man, it's confusing, right? And this is blue count, wave one and two, right? Right here. So that would be here, one, two, and then followed by three, four, five to the upside. So if this is wave one, two, and how much is going to be the wave three, maybe? If it already has stopped, and so from here it can go to like three different levels we have that we can count that we have to, so 100%, 127, and up here somewhere. I can't go down here, my chart's not going down. Now let's say high into this area, the high area, the wave three. Now what is telling us, if this count is correct, that means that the oil is going to get expensive, right? And the only way this thing can happen is that if we start the war again, Iran and US, right? So, and it looks like that we are going to start very soon, right? They're already, violating, both sides violating the ceasefire. So, and there is no solution. And to be honest, the way I see it, that this is only going to get worse and worse and worse and worse, and we will fall into a very huge, big World War III. Right? It's not in a week or a month, but it has started already. So it may take some time, but yes, it's coming. We are going deeper and deeper into it, and eventually it's going to be an nuclear war and big, big changes to this world coming up, right? So, and then obviously oil is one of the biggest commodity that we have to have it. And right now they're bombing each other refineries and oil wells and all of that already. They have done it, and they will be doing a lot more. And what will happen? Oil is, you know, very, very hard to find. Anyway, so this is what I think. This is what my count is, and let's see if I'm right. And this is how it is, right? So I'm watching my entry on this one. Basically, this is my 80-minute chart. I'm watching. It'll just look like this, and then the 40-minute, and then I'll get the entry from 20-minute chart. So 20-minute chart, it looks like this. I need clear, like for example, it was going nicely, and I had a couple of entries, but what happened? Boom, it came down. So, I tried a couple of times, small moves, and we kept. There's no big deal, no hard feeling, right? And after that, when it goes up, it goes up. Then right now it has become bearish. I will wait until it go above the wave when the market opens up, and then it will start to give me entries. Then I'll take it. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend. And if I get a chance, I'm gonna make a gold video as well. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.